The industry standard is generally an acceptable error of 2 to 3 millimeters, but we did it within 1 millimeter. Recently, there are 2 dealers in the United States, one responsible for sales in the West and one for the East.
This shows that our products are very popular overseas because of the advantages of our products. Regardless of the quality or our precision, it is very, very popular overseas,
Yes,
right?
I would like to clarify this point. The direction of our visual cutting machine, previously we had some current military merchants in some Western countries who were also selling others established goods. But then because of the stability and accuracy of the spreading machine are not enough for various reasons. They are for the visual cutting machine, lost interest. But then, because of our timely promotion, communicate with them. Let them apply medicine on the spot. Then these dealers first take a look at us, use it at the customer's place, and after using it, they realize, oh, originally, the visual cutting machine can also achieve such high precision and it can be so beautiful.
This is Barton's gift, introducing us abroad. The reason to do so, dear, is not only the advantages of our product, but also the benefits of our service. Thank you very much, Mr. Song, for introducing us. Thank you.